Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Process Modeling and Simulation. I am your course instructor Engineer Mohammad Haris Humayun, working as lecturer at Department of Chemical Engineering, ComSets University, Islamabad, Lahore campus. And the module which we are covering these days is related to the physical properties and thermodynamic models. In our today's exercise, we will focus on the problem number 8, and it is related to the development of TXY, PXY, XY diagram for a binary mixture. So let's go to this case study and check what are the simulation requirements, how we can simulate it, and how we can extract our required results. So each diagrams with benzene toluene. So we have been given the benzene toluene binary mixture, and for this mixture we have to plot txy, pxy, and yx diagram. The objective of this simulation is learn how to plot txy, pxy, and xy diagram of the mixture. Means our first objective is to learn how to plot these diagrams and require input skills in properties and analysis. So this objective is matching with CLO number 1, which requires the input skills, and CLO number 4, where we will do the plotting and do the analysis. Problem description is that for this binary mixture, which is the benzene toluene mixture, draw TXY diagram at 1 atm and 2 atm, PXY diagram at 50 degrees centigrade, YX diagram at 1 atm and 50 degrees centigrade. Firstly, we will select our components benzene and toluene, and after that we will select ideal property package for this, and we will run it to ensure that results are available and there are no warnings in the system. Since results are available successfully, so going to binary tab and click binary, and as you see that analysis type available is TXY. What type of analysis are given? TXY, PXY, and gives energy of mixing. So select TXY. Now component selected, component 1 is benzene and component 2 is toluene. If you swipe their positions, there will be no change on the simulation. Then in basis, it's a mole fraction of benzene from 0 to 1. You can even vary it to toluene and check the results. Obviously, the curve may spread differently. Let me show you how. In calculation options, firstly select it as vapor liquid. And in binary analysis, let me take you first pressure only, that it's 1 atm. क्योंकि जो हमने बात पहले की है उसको भी डिस्कस करना जरूरी है. And run analysis. Once you run analysis, then you see you had this graph. Now this region is known as the subcooled region. This blue line is, if you see, it's a x means liquid, saturated liquid line, and the point on this line is bubble point. Then this region between these two lines is two-phase mixture, means both vapor and liquids are present here. This region is the saturated vapor line, and each point on this line represents the dew point. This region is known as the superheated region. Similarly, if I change it from benzene to toluene and again run analysis, then you see the trend has slightly changed. It has just tilted. It is still subcooled region. It is still the saturated vapor line, saturated liquid line, but it has only tilted from this to this. Now, if I take it back to benzene and add another pressure of 2 atm and again run it, then you see you are obtaining the two different graphs. This one is at 1 atm, this one is at 2 atm, as I have shown you in the slides as well. So this region is the subcooled region, saturated liquid line, two-phase region, saturated vapor line, superheated. Same goes for here. So that's how you plot the diagram of TXY for benzene toluene mixture. Now our next task is to develop the PXY diagram for benzene toluene mixture. So what we will do, we will go back, but before going back, let me show you that for this component, we have selected benzene. Temperature is selected at degree centigrade. Pressure is selected at atm. If I change it from here, from benzene to toluene, then you see the curves are just shifted to adjust accordingly to the toluene, but the regions are still same. I change the analysis type to PXY. Again, it's benzene-toluene. Similarly, both components are present. Mole fraction of benzene from 0 to 1 with number of intervals is 50. And for temperature, we will select 50 degrees centigrade as given in the problem statement. Then we will run analysis. And you see you have again obtained a graph. This blue line represents the liquid line, saturated liquid line. This green line represents the saturated vapor line. It's a two-phase mixture or two-phase region. This section is subcooled. This is a superheated vapor. And again, it's for benzene. If I change it to toluene, then the curve will be tilted to other side. And similarly, you can also vary the units, but it will not have any effect on the analysis. And if you want to go through the results, you can also check the results in the tabular form as well. And the graphs are generated using these results as well. Now, our last task in this activity is to generate the y-x diagram. Similarly, if you want to plot the y-x diagram at 1 atm, you have to go back to the txy diagram and at 1 atm, which is the selected value over here, run the analysis. And after running the analysis, you see that txy diagram is plotted, but your objective is to get the y-x diagram. So for this, you have to go here and select the y-x diagram at 1 atm, and you see you have obtained your y-x diagram at 1 atm. I have just taken it to here, and you see this is the diagram which is useful for you when you are designing the distillation column using McCabe-Thiele method, as you have studied in simultaneous heat and mass transfer operations course as well. This is the equilibrium line and this is the y-x diagram, and you see it is finely splitted because you have took a very small step size. If you increase the step size from here by decreasing the number of intervals, for example, if I reduce it to 40 and analysis is run again, then you see these numbers will be, or these dots will be further reduced and they have been spaced. So you can take the y-x values or the xy values of any binary mixture which is available in the Aspen library from Aspen Plus as well. Similarly, if you vary it from benzene to toluene, then you see the graph is just tilted. That's how you can plot TXY, EXY, and XY diagram in Aspen Plus.